to our platform. This is ABJ from Confident Technology Liberia, and today I'm going to be showing you the introduction to Microsoft Excel 2013. Okay, please bear with me if I'm going too slow or repeating one word over and over, because this video was mainly produced for a beginner from scratch. So if you are a user or advanced user or been around Excel before, you can skip this video and search for the part 2, or better still, you can stick around to see some of the tips and tricks in the Microsoft Excel opening 2013. But for today, like I said, please bear with me if I have to repeat one word over and over. This video was mainly produced for a beginner from scratch, so I'm going to be walking you through Microsoft Excel 2013 from scratch to the advanced level. So basically, we are learning Microsoft Excel 2013 because most offices, organizations, and business entities use Microsoft Excel on a daily basis. And since we are in a tech world, it's good to be prepared for the opportunity or any other thing that will come your way. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more videos and updates from us. And let's get started. Okay, so we are using Microsoft Excel 2013 because we want to see or show you the upgrade version or the new features that have been added into the Microsoft Excel 2013. So if you have been around Excel, opening Excel, that is cool. But I'm just going to walk you through the most common step. To open Microsoft Excel 2013 on your computer, move your mouse to the Start button. Click on the Start button. Go to All Program. It doesn't matter whether you're using Windows 10, 7, XP, or 8. Hit the Start button. Go to All Program. Search for a folder called Microsoft Office. So as you can see, Microsoft Office. But after the Microsoft Office, you got a year called 2013. So if you are using Microsoft Office 27, you see 2007, 2010, 2016, or 2003. So if you see the year, then it means that that is the version of Microsoft Excel you are using. So we are using Microsoft Excel 2013 for this tutorial. So after you find a folder Microsoft Office 2013, you click on Microsoft Office 2013 and you can access the Microsoft Excel 2013 by just a single click. So if only and only if you have to hit the Start button and go to All Program, Microsoft Office, and you find out that your Microsoft Office is 2003, 2007, or 2010, and you want to get the 2013 version. If you are in Liberia, you can just contact us on our website, or better still, you can drop your comment. If you are around the world, drop your comment in the comment box and we will reach out to you and you will be able to get the Microsoft Excel 2013 fully activated. So click on the Microsoft Excel 2013 and this is the welcome screen of the environment of Microsoft Excel 2013. So that was the first way of opening it. To close it, you give it a one click from the upper right hand corner on the X button called close. So you just give it a click and Microsoft Excel 2013 will close. So that was the first way. Another way to open Microsoft Excel 2013, hit the Windows logo key on your keyboard, a keyboard that looks like flare, to the lower hand, the lower button of the keyboard. So if you hit the Windows logo key, you'll get a search box and just type Excel, EXCEL. As you can see, Microsoft Excel 2013 will appear, and then you double click or just click. It will still take you to the same environment, and then you can click on close. So that is another way of opening Microsoft Excel 2013. One of the way of opening Microsoft 2013 is to pin it to the taskbar, the start menu, or send a shortcut to the desktop. So to do that, you hit the start button, you go to all program, Microsoft Office, and Microsoft Excel 2013. This time around, you right click, as you can see, pin to start, pin to taskbar. We open it back. So go ahead, any of these way that you just learned, you can double click and open your Microsoft Excel 2013. So at this screen or at this stage, I would love to explain one or two things to you. Now, if you are a user of Microsoft Excel 27, 3, and 10, you'll notice there are a few changes. If you access the Microsoft Office Excel 2003, 2007, 2010, it take you straight to a blank workbook. Okay, but for the Microsoft Excel 2013 and above, if you click or access the Excel environment, it brings you straight to the online template and the signing in welcome screen. So as you can see, we got a blank workbook, we get personal Monday budget, building statement, blood pressure tracker, expense report, and sale report, time card, and the rest of the other template. So if you was asked to face a personal Monday budget, you can just click on this personal Monday budget template and maybe add, subtract, and follow the format. Okay, now another thing at the screen is the search online. So if you are connected to the internet, you can click and be able to search for an online template. Now, one of the things that is new in the Excel 2013 is the signing in to get the most out of Office. If you are connected to the internet, you can click on the sign in and you will have to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you have to create one, and you will be having copy of every work that you will do back up in the cloud, that is the internet. So for official news, so this is the environment. If you have any other question, you can leave it down in the comment section and we'll be able to reach to you. So as we were saying, this is the environment. So we click on blank workbook, and this is the environment of the Excel 2013. In 2007, 2010, and 3, if you just open the Excel environment, it brings straight to this screen. But as you can see, for the 2013, you will have a welcome screen before this environment. Now, I'm going to walk you through. As you can see up here, we refer to the bar as the title bar. So we are working in book 1. We are working with Excel. So if we have to name this workbook, you see the name of the workbook before the Excel. So we are just working with book 1 Excel. So this is the title bar, and after the title bar, as you can see in this corner, we got a question mark, that is the help. If you click on that, it will give you a pop-up box for you to search for or help offline. And then we have this little rubbing display option button. For some reason, if you click on this button and click on auto hide, as you can see, all the rubbings, commands, and tabs or auto hide. So if you click on that and click on show tabs, some Excel user will have the Excel environment like this, but if they click and then it disappear, you can do that from here. So if you click show tabs and rubbing, it show you all the tabs, rubbings, and command. So there's the rubbing display option button, and this button is the minimize. So if you click on this, it minimize to the desktop, and if you click on this or restore down button, it restore the Microsoft Excel sheet. And if you click on this little X button, and it will close the whole in Microsoft Excel 2013. As you can see, we got a picture light and a sign in. So if you are signed in, your account will appear here, and if you upload a photo, you'll see a photo of yourself saying you are logged into your Microsoft account on Excel. Okay, so the next is this file button. It is a quick Control plus save. This is a quick access customized tools bar, and we'll discuss that later. So another button we have here is the file. And in Microsoft Excel 2003, 2007, the file button was once Office, but from 2010 they have replaced it to a file. So in 7 and 3, that button was called Office button, but in 2010, 13 and 16, it's called file button. So as you click the file button, we have few other options, which of course I will walk you through them one by one later in this tutorial. Okay, so right after that, as you can see, we have home, inside, page layout, formulas, data. These are all our tabs or robins. So we got the home tab or the home robins, and under the home tab we got various section and commands. So each tab or robins have a own section, and each section has a own command. So as you can see, this is the home tab, and this is the clipboard section. Under the clipboard section, we have format, printer, copy, cut, and paste command. So if you look at this, there's a home tab, but there's a font section, and under the font section we got bold, italic, underline, and we got increase font size, decrease font size, or font color, and we got alignment section, and under the alignment section we have text in the center, adjust, justify, align left and right, and text wrap. So we have a section. In each section, if you see a label pointing down arrow, then it means that we have more of these commands of this section. So if you click on that, you have the paste and copy, paste all. If you click on the front section with a little drop down arrow, you have more options or more commands to format your work. So understand, if you are an advanced user or beginner user, we will sometimes say some words, so don't get confused. If we have to say go to home and go to the font section, on the font section click on bold, or basically we are saying home, font section, on the font section, a command called bold. So if we go to inside, we get the table, illustration section, app section, chart, report, and on each of them have their own commands, like the insert tables. On the table section we have preferred table, recommended table, and tables, and so forth. So as you can see, you can play around and keep clicking, knowing your favorite section and the command for on each section. So if we go to inside, this is new in Microsoft Excel 2013, that is inside. On inside we got something called screenshot. So if you want to give a screenshot of a work or particular area or the desktop, you just click on screenshot and click on screen clipping, and then you can like highlight this, click and drag, and you will be having copy of the screenshot or what you have done. So this is the video 1 to the course Introduction to MS Excel 2013. So gentlemen, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to receive more videos and updates. This is ABJ from Confident Technology Liberia, and this is Confident Technology 2018.